Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. Today I wanted to do this enchanted emerald eye look for you guys. I feel like green is one of those colors that people find really daunting and they shy away from. I think with the right shades and the right application techniques, it can really make, especially if you have olive skin or hazel eyes, it can really make them pop. And today's inspiration for my look actually came from a very unlikely source. Have you guys ever seen Peppa Pig, Madame Gazelle? So I think her eye makeup looks fantastic. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when I'm watching cartoons or animated movies, I find myself really fixating on the character and their eye makeup and then thinking about looks that can come out of it. I know that's what I was thinking when I watched Frozen 2. I thought Elsa's purple eyeshadow was on point. So that could perhaps be a future video tutorial. So yeah, if you guys haven't done so yet, please don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm continuously trying to build up the channel and I wouldn't want you to miss out on anything. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. The first step is of course just prepping and priming my face. I will link all the product descriptions down below, and if you want to see the technique and the whole thing demoed, go ahead, check out one of my previous videos. I do walk through the steps in those. So yeah, I'm going to get started by priming my lids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Okay, that looks good. And now I'm going to start playing around with the eyeshadow, which is a fun part. So I'm going to be using my White Chocolate Bar Too Faced palette. And in terms of the green shadow that I'm going to be going in with, it's going to be this mint chocolate color right here. It's this really pretty green shade. And as a base, however, I'm going to start off by putting cake batter. Okay, that looks about good. And then I'm going to go ahead and start going in with mint chocolate chip. I'm just going to be applying it as both I'm doing a vertical gradient style application, but I'm going to be applying it as a transitional and also the lower color, because basically you have a transitional shade and then a darker shade near the lash line, but I'm just going to be using this for both, just because I want this to be like the standout color in this look. And then I'm also going to be shading outwards a bit into this outer V and then bring some color down below, because I think that creates a very cohesive look. Really pretty green shade, and there are several highlighting options within this palette, but I'm actually going to be using my Stila Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the color Kitten, and I'm just going to be using it to highlight the upper thirds and the inner corners of my eyes, as well as bring some to the brow bone and to the outer corners. I feel like this is very pigmented and it creates this really pretty like luminescent glow. Okay, so yeah, I think it just provides this like really dewy, fresh glow to your look. And now I'm just going to go in with my trio of favorite eyeliners, being Lorac Pro Liner, Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Lining Pen, as well as the Stila one. But I'm just going to use the Lorac for today. And just basically drawing it into this extended liner look. Now that I have lined my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take the optional step of tracing over the liner with a colored eye pencil. And in this case, I've always used the Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil in the color Stash, which is this mossy green color. And I feel like it's even more appropriate than ever given my green sort of themed look. But yeah, it's totally optional, and I find that when I do this, it kind of diminishes the harshness of the black liner just because I have to draw a thicker line, having monolids, and it helps make my lashes stand out more after I have applied the mascara. For the next step, I'm pretty nearly done with the look. I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes with my Eyeshadow eyelash curler, and going to go ahead and apply the mascara with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I've gone ahead and applied the mascara to the top and the bottom lashes, and I'm going to finish off the look by dusting on some blush. I'm going to use my Too Faced Perfect Blush blush. And then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter. I'm going to be using this my ColorDesign Lancome lipstick in the color Oh My Shimmer. I think this actually works really well with this look because I'm going for this shimmery green enchanted emerald look, and I think the bronze lipstick really goes with it. And there you have it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks. Bye.